లలిత జ్యువెలర్స్ వారి డబుల్ ధమాకా ఆఫర్ అన్ని బంగారు నగలపై తరుగులో 1% తగ్గింపు పాత బంగారు నగల ఎక్స్చేంజ్ పై గ్రాముకు 150 రూపాయలు అదనంగా పొందండి.
First of all,
I don't want to answer
Okay.
diplomatic.
who is the most drama kind of couple?
Drama, Saif and Kareena.
Can you understand a little bit Telugu, sir?
You say, I'll tell you.
So what do you think of about Telugu films?
I love the Telugu film industry. And the Telugu people are the most crazy people for cinema.
Hi sir, thanks for coming over here.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you. Great to be in here.
Yeah. So first of all, apologize my English.
Don't worry.
I'm not
Apologize my
perfect.
Telugu also.
Okay. Yeah. Sir, I feel like this conversation will be like my self-exploration because in your movies, the heroes, the kind of characters, finally leads to their self-exploration, right? So I'll feel like this conversation will. We knew you from Jab We Met. I don't know what my life will be turned out after this conversation. So we met here right now. That's Sir, I have seen your every film. Out of your all films, I think 2, 3 or 4 films have happy endings. So why did you do that, sir?
I'll see. You're wrong. Let us count.
Okay.
I also don't know, but I hope you're wrong.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Let's see. Yeah? Socha na tha.
Yeah.
Happy ending.
Yeah.
Jab We Met. Happy ending.
Yeah.
Love Aajkal. Happy
Okay.
ending.
Yeah.
Then comes Rockstar.
Rockstar.
Rockstar, what? Not happy.
Yes,
Not
sir.
happy, right?
Yes,
So one, right? One, right. 4 films gone. 5th film is Highway. Happy or not happy? Not
Okay.
happy.
Yeah.
Not
okay.
happy.
Okay. Okay. Not happy.
Not happy, so 2, right? Now, after Highway, there is Tamasha.
Tamasha.
Tamasha is happy ending.
No, no.
They come together.
But
He also becomes a storyteller. He's also with his girlfriend.
yeah, sir. But they have separate paths.
No. In Tamasha, they are together.
Yeah.
They are together. So that Tamasha is definitely a happy ending. Harry Met Sejal, happy ending. Right? Love Aajkal 2, happy
Yeah,
ending.
definitely.
Right? Chamkila, unhappy ending. Okay, 3. मैं वापस आऊँगा happy or sad?
No, sir. Definitely sad.
Okay,
for
sad.
Me, for me,
Okay. So for you, sad. So even by your measure, only 4 films have unhappy ending.
Even
6 films have happy ending.
Okay.
And then I've written Cocktail also. That also has happy ending.
Okay.
Okay.
But whenever we used to watch your films, we feel heavy, and we feel lucky. And whenever we lost our hope on love,
Yeah.
then you made us think like, even though if you lost, go for it. It's valuable.
Yeah.
It's the most valuable thing.
It's in the journey, no?
Yeah, sir. Yes.
Yeah, like I feel so. I feel getting something, not getting something is that's why somebody moves. But then you realize that in the journey I have achieved more than what I had set out to achieve. Like I have come here to buy an ice cream, but on the way to get that ice cream, I've got chocolate also, I've got kebab also, I've got biryani also.
Yeah.
You know, so it's like that.
Yeah. Okay.
I don't get ice cream, but I got better things.
Okay. So I heard that you are like a nomadic spirit. You have nomadic spirit. You go on a solo traveling
Well,
with no proper destination in your mind.
Sometimes.
Is it right, sir?
Sometimes.
Without any proper destination, how could you travel, sir?
Actually, my work has more been like that. When I'm traveling now, it's mostly because yes, I like it. I like when I don't know where I'm going. I like it when I'm here and then I don't know where I might end up. Then new things will happen, then different things happen. And sometimes even when you know where you're going, you suddenly feel that, oh, I have to go here, But I think this is a better place. Suddenly I'm having a feeling to go right. Just don't go right. I think that's what I like.
Okay.
Sometimes you have to have a plan when you go. But once you go, you can leave the plan.
Yeah. So in my life, there are so many youngsters like me. We are feeling like we are nomads, but we really need home.
Yeah.
How to find our home?
You have to be in touch with yourself. Be in touch with yourself. Be in touch with yourself when you were a school student. Be in touch with yourself when you were a primary school student. Be in touch with yourself when you were 5 years old with your mother. So be in touch with your mother. You know, being in touch with all the objects that your younger self has been in touch with, your young self has been in touch with. All of that will bring you a feeling of home. Because you know, even if you go back to, let's say, your childhood home, that home might not be the same, or at least the people are not the same. But you can always access who you were when you were there and feel at home.
Yeah. So what about is love a home? What do you?
Yeah, it can be. You can say that. In fact, you can say, well, but when you say love, it can be for anything. It can be for a girl, boy. It can be for your teacher, or for your work, your book, a song, anything.
Yeah. So in your films, all female characters are like sometimes they feel like home for the protagonist, or a destructive force sometimes. They has that power to destroy
They have
someone,
the
or
power.
to elevate, to self-realize the protagonist. Yeah. So in a lot of characterizations like Geet, Meera, or Jia, when you are in your teenage or early 20s, what kind of girl would you dream of? Would you dreamt of?
I only dreamt of one girl. That was my girlfriend. So I only dreamt of her at that time. I wasn't dreaming of any particular other person. Because when I was in school, I had a girlfriend, and then I was just with her.
Okay. In out of these all characterizations like Geet, Jia, or Meera, or even Tamasha characterization, or Rockstar.
Yeah.
So which one would you rate 10 out of 10?
I won't rate 10 out of 10 any character. There
Which
are-
one did you love the most, sir? In all female characterizations in your films.
Veera is nice. Highway. And Geet is also nice. And this one is also nice. Jia.
I saw in an interview that you picked choose one
Yeah,
context.
yeah.
You picked Alia Bhatt over Deepika Padukone, but you worked with Deepika Padukone more.
Yeah.
You worked with Deepika Padukone over, I think, 3 films, right? Tamasha, Cocktail.
Cocktail is not my film. That just it was my screen.
Writings. Tamasha, Cocktail, or what film? You worked
Love
more
Aajkal.
with Love Aajkal. You worked more with
Deepika. Did
So-
I pick her out? I would say, you know what happens is when somebody comes and asks you these questions, either you can say, I don't want to answer and be
Okay.
diplomatic,
Okay.
or you just say it and it just carries on like that, no problem. So I might have said Alia because I was thinking of Alia at that point of time, maybe.
Yeah, but out of all protagonists, male protagonists, I think you love Ranbir Kapoor more because of Rockstar or Tamasha.
he's
You
a
have
good-
more compatibility
Yeah.
or understanding.
Two very intense films we made with each other, and very interesting journeys for both films. And so it was great fun working with him. It was wonderful learning experience working. Well, also very exciting.
And you have seen a lot of on-screen couples and off-screen couples, like Ranbir and Alia, or Deepika or Ranveer. So out of all these off-screen couples, who is the most cinematic kind of drama kind of couple?
Drama, Saif and Kareena.
Okay. Because
Drama, no, they're just like, they look very dramatic.
yeah.
You know, they look dramatic in the way they are. Yeah.
What about that eye grabbing?
Eye grabbing. That, I think I'm mostly looking at the woman. So I don't care what the man is looking at the woman.
Yeah.
So all of them are eye grabbing. I love all of them individually, I really love all of them.
Yeah. Yeah, even Virat Kohli, Anushka Sharma, a lot
Oh,
of couple
lovely,
are there.
lovely.
Yeah,
Anushka is such a sweetheart.
yeah. Coming back to May Vapas Aunga.
Huh.
What a film, sir. But I have a small indigestible thing.
Why did Keenu not stay back and
Yeah,
oh yes
yeah.
and meet her? She was just coming down the
Yeah,
steps.
yeah.
He should have met her. I know that. But
We have been shouting here, "Arey, wait, Ra, wait, wait for 5 minutes." He just went off. and in the climax portion also, even she's not there. She was not there.
Yeah.
At least if she was there and she said like this,
Right.
it felt something more impactful. I think, sir. What are your words on it?
Well, I feel that no, I think this is better. I think this is better because you also have a sense of loss
Yeah.
when he doesn't stay back. He's so distraught. What he has heard has destroyed him. And now he has one last hope he had that he will see her, and then he realizes she's also married, and he realizes there's no point. There's no point me being here trying to see her or nothing. There's no point me ever looking back. Just turn the other way. What has happened is terrible, but just go away from it. And that is loss. And in this movie, we are showing refugees, we are showing partition survivors. They have lost a lot. And for us to feel what they have lost, we should also go through as audience some sense of loss.
Yeah.
That is what happens when you see that he doesn't stay back and she comes. Then you feel a fragment of what a person loses when they lose home.
Yeah. And I think maybe if at all Jia was alive and if she was old, I think he can't recognize her.
Yeah, he can't.
Yeah, he can recognize only that kind of photo.
painting,
Yeah, that kind of.
he can't recognize. How does he know how
Yes,
she looks
yes,
like
yes,
at 90?
It's
Yeah.
nice, super. So coming to our generation, my generation,
Yeah.
this era, social media and digital era. So love has lost its meaning.
I don't think so. I think, everybody says that, but love has not lost its meaning. You guys are always looking for love, in fact, more desperately, which is why young people are liking my Vapas Aunga more.
Yeah,
because
yeah.
they feel, this is so nice, why can't I have it? Because they're missing it that more. 30 years back, the story wouldn't have been like this.
Yeah.
So I
Yep.
feel you are lost, but you have not lost the meaning of love. You're lost yourself.
We have to वापस आऊंगा वापस आना पड़ता है
आना
I don't
पड़ेगा।
know Hindi
No.
yeah, yeah.
हाँ, वापस आओगे और वापस आते ही हैं. Every generation comes back, and your journey is different from any other generation. The next generation, their journey will be also different. Every generation has a different journey. Your generation has a certain boom of digital communication devices and all of that, and so many apps boom.
Yeah.
So you guys are with that, and you are dealing with that, and you're dealing with the choices that it presents. But at the end of it, what you have 500 options doesn't mean that you have any satisfaction. In fact, that satisfaction of being in something which is solid, you're losing it more and more, which is why you're going to cinema and looking for it.
Yeah.
Sometimes I feel that a lot of people are sending memes, young people and all of that. I think that they are investing their hearts here because they are looking for something like this which they don't have in their lives.
Yeah. And sorry for asking this question. I'm going to ask this question. Right. There are a lot of terms like situationship, one night stand, these kind of things. Even some kind of people are saying I love you to each other while making out, but they are not
They don't mean it.
They don't mean it. Yeah, they don't mean. So what do you think of that kind of people?
I feel it's fine. It's all right. Because we were in the theater when we were coming out. Those people were standing over there. They were saying, "Imtiaz, I love you. Imtiaz, I love you."
Yeah. That is definitely
Right?
different
Same
version.
thing,
of-
na? Sir,
Yeah, okay.
different version.
Yeah.
It's a different version.
Yeah.
But love is love. Now, it's not as though that person wants to spend their lives with me or want me in a romantic relationship. But love is love. Sometimes, if you're making out with somebody and you want to say it. I don't think that you should have judgment over it. I don't
Yeah.
think. I think it's okay. You might feel like that at some point of time for a person,
Mm.
only for one time.
Okay.
That doesn't mean that it was wrong at that time. It's now like you are younger, but you feel that it can only be for one person. If that's what you feel now, you go with that. But if you later on feel that no, this is really, I feel love for this person right now, or I feel love for this car right now, or for this director, say it. Doesn't matter.
Yeah.
Whether you're making out, whether you're having breakfast, whether you're taking a leak, it's all the same. You have to be true at any point.
So, would you believe in those terms like a marriage and soulmate?
I feel marriage is a very difficult thing. I'm not so sure about marriage.
Yeah.
I feel that it's I don't know. It's very difficult to maintain a relationship in marriage. A perfectly good relationship can get ruined by marriage also. That's what I
Okay.
also
Okay.
believe. It can. Hopefully not, but one has to know that marriage can bring challenges to a relationship. But soulmate, I don't know. One sometimes gets the feeling that, oh, I know this person. I've never met her. But I feel that, but it's a mystery. One can't be conclusive about the fact that there are soulmates.
Well, but some people used to say like there will be only one person for the 7 lives.
We don't know. I don't know. I used to also, well, maybe.
Yeah.
Sometimes one thinks, believes something, then they challenge that belief, and then I don't know.
So मैं वापस आऊँगा means I'll come back. I'll come back means we used to say that word. We say that word to our home.
Yeah.
I'll come back. I'll come back because it's our home.
Yeah,
Permanent
yeah,
home.
yeah.
So here Keanu feels like Jia is his home.
Actually, he's saying मैं वापस आऊँगा to everything that he's leaving behind. Yes, Keanu thinks Jia is her home, his home. Keanu thinks Sargodha is his home. Keanu thinks his college is his home, his house is his home. All of this, all of what was snatched from him is his home.
Yeah.
And it also sometimes when you have something and nobody takes it away from you, you lose the significance of it. But when somebody takes something away from you, that thing becomes more dear. That's what happens in this film also.
Okay. So in our lives too, we'll have some rented houses and permanent your permanent house.
Yeah.
So how can we identify our which home is our permanent
See,
home?
the thing, I'll tell you what. I stay in a rented house now. Okay?
Yeah.
In between, I had my own house also. I have some houses, some buildings. Not buildings. I've got some apartments and all that are mine. But I never stayed there. I only stayed in a rented house. When I think of home, I think of a company quarter in Jamshedpur where I was very young when I was there. That is home for me. That's a rented house. All my life, I've stayed in a rented house. When my father bought a house, I moved into. When my father bought his first house, I was already out of the house. I was in a hostel. Then, so I never stayed in a house of my own. A rented house can also be your home.
Okay.
This is what I mean.
Okay.
You can apply it. You can apply it to anything.
I used it house as a metaphor for
Yes.
partner or companion.
I'm saying that also.
Yeah. Okay.
I'm also saying apply it to that. That you use it as a metaphor. I also mean it as a metaphor. Maybe that is also possible.
Yeah,
You never
yes.
know. Think of it this way. You are going somewhere. You're on a journey, right? You meet somebody, and suddenly you feel so connected that you feel you've never been so connected with somebody, and you definitely feel this is my soulmate. And the point is that you are on a clock. Your clock runs out. The journey gets over. Bang, you're back. She's back. All your life you might remember that this was the purest relationship I had, although it was only for 2 days. Is that not? That's also fine.
Yeah.
That is home. You might be in a relationship, and there are a lot of people, unfortunately, who are in relationships and they feel terrible. They are constantly hating their partner, don't want to get out. Maybe it is convenient. That is not home.
Yeah.
That's no.
Yeah,
That's
right.
what I mean.
So in all of your films, you don't focus on physical transformation. You focus
Yeah.
on completely, I think, mental transformation or
Psychological,
self-discovery,
yeah.
psychological. Yeah, these kind of things. Why, sir?
Because I think those are the more important
Mm-hmm.
changes in life.
Mm.
Physically, one can do,
Mm.
but I think the inner change where you suddenly everything is the same, but you suddenly start feeling different.
Mm.
That is such a huge, a beautiful transformation.
Mm-hmm.
That's why.
And జనరేషన్ అంటే ఈ జనరేషన్ ఎలా ఉంది కెన్ యూ అండర్స్టాండ్ లిటిల్ బిట్ తెలుగు సార్
You say, I'll see. I'll tell you.
ఈ జనరేషన్ ఎలా ఉందంటే లైక్ ఇప్పుడు కరెంట్ రిలీజ్ టైంలో ఫ్లాప్ అంటున్నారు
Yeah.
ఆఫ్టర్ 10 years వావ్ కల్ట్ బ్లాక్ బస్టర్ వాట్ ఏ ఫిల్మ్ కల్ట్
Yeah.
క్లాసిక్ అంటున్నారు సో దీస్ కైండ్ ఆఫ్ థింగ్స్ మీ ఫిల్మ్స్ కూడా ఇట్ అప్లైడ్ టు యువర్ ఫిల్మ్స్ టు లైక్
Right.
తమాషా ఆర్ సమ్ కైండ్ ఆఫ్ ఫిల్మ్స్
Right,
సో
right.
నౌ డేస్ ఐ థింక్ తమాషా అంటే it is not tamasha it is too impactful
Yeah.
for all our kids.
Right.
So what is this change after 10 years tarvata recognize చేస్తున్నారు proper గా
See, that is my. I'm trying to learn. A better filmmaker makes a film that looks simple, but it might be complicated, right?
yeah
Tamasha, people liked it, but they took time to really love it. I'm trying to learn to make a film that people love right in the beginning. For that, I have to be better so my film can be simple. I think Main Wapas Aunga is the first film which people have loved the first time only. Like it is still in the theatre and people are calling it successful or whatever. They're loving it. They're liking it, right? And that is a very big relief for me. The biggest thing that has happened in My Wapas Aunga is this. Nobody said I didn't understand. Nobody said I'm
Yeah.
going to understand later. People, it is still in the theatre today. Sixth
Yeah.
week is running, is getting over now, the 6th week, and people have already turned it, like it is already profitable on books. And so it's like a successful film while it is running in the theatre. So it's a learning process.
yeah so in this cast 4 people
Yeah.
have major portion of the film.
Yeah.
So who is your favorite among 4 and according only according to what is this main Wapas Aunga?
Jia.
Jia.
Yeah.
You said Jia, Sharia, not Sharia.
Not Sharvari.
Sharwai, yeah.
One can only say character, no? Jia. Yeah. And all, like as far as actors are concerned, I can't really say who's better or worse because I'm looking at them like the characters only. And I feel, of course, Naseer has got so much love. Maximum love, I think Naseer has got in this film.
Yeah.
And he's also, he's that kind of actor. Everybody has always known that he's so good. And Diljit, and both of them, like everybody has got their share of love and affection in this film. All 4 characters. I can't say because it's like I'm the director. I can't have one favorite.
Yeah. So we'll have some rapid fire session.
Okay.
We'll finish it off in 2 to 3 minutes. So which one would you choose? Chai on a highway dhaba or black coffee in a quiet place?
Chai on highway dhaba.
Okay. Yeah. Jab We Met or Rockstar?
It can change from day to day, but today I'm thinking Jab We Met.
Jab We Met. Okay. So what is a better phase? Falling in love or falling out of love?
Falling in love.
Falling in love. Yeah. So define Imtiaz Ali in 3 words. I think you have already answered in
something?
Yeah.
A film director.
Okay. So what scene was the absolute hardest to edit out of any film?
This is which film? Actually, one very difficult scene I remember. 2 scenes I can remember. One was in Rockstar, where he is standing on the ground on the road and she's on the balcony and they're talking over the phone. That was very tough. Second scene that was very tough is when Ved comes in Tamasha to a party and somebody asks him, how are you? And he says, I'm going to give you the answer of this, how are you? And that then So these two scenes were very, very tough for me to edit.
Okay. So which character was written most like the real Imtiaz Ali?
None.
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 Okay.
Not at all.
So, can we find in future, sir?
No. I'm not interested in myself. I don't even want to think about myself.
Yeah. So Ranbir Kapoor or Shah Rukh Khan, who asks more questions before a shot?
These two actors don't ask many questions.
Okay.
Yeah.
So what do you think of about Telugu films, sir?
Arey, I love Telugu films. I love the way I love the Telugu film industry. The discipline, the way of working. I love the fact that Telugu film industry is so big, and the Telugu people are the most crazy people for cinema in this country, for sure. And the way they, how many times each one must be seeing the film for it to be such a big blockbuster, you know. And I've been not only now, recently Hindi film, the Bombay film industry is seeing what is Telugu cinema, but I have been aware of it from NTR times, you know, and so I feel that it's really a blessing. And the way the Telugu audience understands cinema is very superior, and the way that I feel that how Main Vapas Aunga, the reception we've had in Hyderabad is amazingly genuine. It's beyond expectation, which is why we came.
Yeah. So is there any Telugu actor you want to work with, you want to collaborate with?
I don't know many Telugu actors per se, but I feel that if it were a Telugu actor that I work with ever, it will be a female actor.
Okay. Whom it will be, sir?
But I don't know, like I would have worked with Sridevi.
Yeah.
She would have been the best.
Yeah.
But
So
anyway.
so you are not going to answer this, I think.
No,
Okay.
I don't. No,
Yeah,
I
you don't know.
I
You don't
really
know much.
Don't know much.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So out of your all films,
Huh.
behave like a movie lover. You are not a maker. You are just a movie lover. What are your top 3 in your filmography?
See, one will feel more close to the one that I've just made. Huh?
Yes.
So for me, it will be Main Vapas Aunga Chamkila.
Okay.
Now I'm thinking Rockstar also. So something like that. Because I feel, Chamkila, Rockstar is not a very complete film. Chamkila is more complete like that, which is why it will come over
Yeah.
here.
I heard that you never cry a lot.
Yeah.
Why is that? You made us cry every
That
time.
is why. You are crying for me. Why should I cry?
Yeah.
Chalo, okay.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so
All
much
the
for
best.
having
Nice
such a
time.
time. Thanks.